So today we're going to make Gaeng Thai. This is one of my favorite dishes. My mom used to make this almost every Sunday. So if you asked a Thai person what Gaeng Thai is, they would probably be confused because it can refer to any Thai curry. But in a Thai Indian household like mine, Gaeng Thai usually refers to a red curry which is stewed with meat and vegetables. Best enjoyed with jasmine rice and a nice crispy Thai omelette. So what we're going to do now is we're going to reduce coconut milk. In Thai they call this wakati. Heat it up and you can see it bubble. So reducing the coconut milk and extracting the oils intensifies the flavor and it also provides a nice glossy finish to your curry. Once you see the bubble, stir it every now and then. It'll produce this yellowish tinge which signifies the release of the coconut oil, and that's when you know like it's time to add your curry paste in and you can stir fry it together. So let the curry paste absorb all this coconut oil. There's so many brands out there. I don't think it matters which brand you use. You can get it from the Thai supermarket as well. We're going to add some fish sauce. I use palm sugar at home. Palm sugar just gives it a different texture once you've mixed it in, and it's the preferred use of sugar in traditional Thai cooking. Now that the palm sugar has melted, you can see that the curry paste has become a bit darker in color. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some chicken. Toss the curry and the chicken together. Just make sure it's all coated properly. You make sure it's a little bit cooked before you start adding the vegetables. So growing up in a Thai, Indian, Singaporean household, my mom used to make Gaeng Thai almost every other weekend and we used to get so excited because it just provides so much comfort. So once the chicken is cooked, we're going to add in our vegetables. Again, you can add as much vegetables as you want. Bamboo gives a really nice pungent flavor. Some people don't like it, so you don't have to use it, but I feel like it makes a difference. Kaffir lime leaves. To loosen it up, it's important to also add some water. There's an art to making curry. Once you've made it a few times, you'll know what's the right consistency, you'll know how heavy it should be. So now we're going to add the rest of the vegetables. Green eggplants, which are very unique to Thai cooking. I love adding pumpkins because once it's cooked and it softens, texture-wise it's really nice to have it with the rice. So I like to add my aromatics in 2 stages. Usually when you're stir-frying the curry paste with the meat or the veggie, I add some of the kaffir lime leaf. And then once you've added your liquids, I add some more aromatics in. So it's important to taste test. What we're going to do is we're going to cover it up and let it cook for about 15 minutes. I would suggest to leave a little bit of a gap when you cover your curry, just to let the air release. Another Thai dish everyone loves is a crispy Thai omelette. The components to make a Thai omelette are very simple. It's 2 eggs, water, cornstarch, a little bit of fish sauce, a little bit of acid into this as well, so you have a wedge of lime which you can just squeeze in. Whip it until you get rid of all the lumps of cornstarch. Spend a good 1 to 2 minutes whipping this because it makes it airy and nice and fluffy. The secret of getting a nice crispy fluffy Thai omelette is deep frying it in a nice layer of oil. I would suggest using a wok. So before you pour your omelette in to fry, make sure you drop a little of the egg mixture in to test the temperature of the oil. It should be really nice and hot before you pour everything in. Scoop up some oil over the top so that it cooks evenly. We're going to let it cook until it's nice and golden brown on the underneath, and then we're going to turn it over. Perfectly beautiful color of golden. Alright, so our curry has been cooking for about 15 minutes. So make sure the vegetables are softened before you switch off the heat. We're going to add some bai horapa. So this is another form of basil. It's called sweet basil, and you add it to the curry to give it a nice sweet aromatic flavor. And we're going to add some chilies. We're going to switch it off as soon as we add the basil so that it doesn't overcook and it doesn't over soften. Alright, we're done. We can plate this up and enjoy it with some hot steaming rice and a crispy omelette. Time to dig in. So I think Isan cuisine is pretty underrated. It started to gain a bit of popularity here, but it's still not as well known. It's a lot of grilled meats and sticky rice and papaya salad, som tam, spicy dips. So I feel like Isan cuisine is just out of this world. I love it. So let me know what other Thai dishes you want to see me make next. Comment down below. I can make pad Thai, I can make yam woon sen, I can make red ruby, I can make wing bean salad, pomelo salad, I can make fried rices like basil fried rice.